Are you a digital nomad or do you work in the digital economy? There is a visa here that lets you work for anyone or freelance. Also, you pay zero tax on your overseas income and you can bring your family along. Keep watching. Taiwan has granted more than 1,100 visas for workers in the digital economy from more than 100 countries in the last 3 years. They are called Digi Gold Cards, and they include benefits that make it easier to pursue your business or professional goals in a country that has put the digital economy at the center of its plans for growth and development in the next few decades. Basically, Taiwan wants to become an oasis for international digital talent and startups. Let's take a look at the advantages and requirements of the Digi Gold Card visa and why it could fit your own needs and objectives. The Digi Gold Card is a 4-in-1 package. It combines a work permit, a resident visa, an alien resident certificate, and a re-entry permit into one single card. And it's valid for up to 3 years. The biggest perk is the open work permit. You don't need a corporate sponsor. You can work for a local company, freelance for overseas clients, switch jobs freely, or launch your own startup without an entrepreneur visa. Plus, your spouse and kids get residency, work rights, and direct access to Taiwan's world-class national health insurance. The real game changer are the financial incentives. First-time workers in Taiwan get a 50% tax exemption on the portion of their salary over 3 million new Taiwan dollars for the first 5 years. That doesn't mean you need to be a high earner to get a tax break. If you are a digital nomad, a venture capitalist, or an international entrepreneur, and your income comes from overseas, all of it is completely tax exempt. That's 100%. What about the requirements? Well, you just need to meet one of 4 criteria. The easiest and most innovative path is simply having 8 years of professional experience in the digital economy. A second track is salary. You need a most recent monthly salary of around 5,000 US dollars in a digital economy related position. The third one is academic. For this, you need a doctorate degree from a top 500 university listed in the QS ranking, Times Higher Education, or US News and World Report. Finally, the fourth track mixes expertise and tenure, meaning specialized innovators holding specific patents, technology transfer contracts, or recognized industry awards. By the way, Taiwan isn't just giving you a visa, they're also giving you capital. The National Development Fund runs a business angel investment program that co-invests with private VCs. This is supported by world-class accelerators like AppWorks, the largest in Greater Southeast Asia, and Taiwan Tech Arena, which connects founders directly to global VC networks. How does this compare with other major Asian hubs like Singapore or Hong Kong? If you work in the digital economy, technology is what powers Taiwan's growth, so that's already a huge plus for tech startups and for digital nomads. Also, it offers an environment that lets you go from concept and design to physical prototype in record time. Taiwan's digital visa doesn't require strict employer ties or great capital investment, so it is more flexible than Singapore or Hong Kong. Finally, you won't have to deal with shifting regulatory landscapes or restrictive living and working conditions. Relocating to Taiwan also has other benefits. For example, in 2025, it was ranked the 4th safest country in the world and the safest in East Asia. You get immediate access to the national health insurance system, widely considered the best single-payer system on the planet. And yeah, there's this too.
It's a very digital country. People embrace new technologies, so which makes the perfect playground for startup companies, prototype or work with Taiwan corporations.
It's a very vibrant ecosystem, and the networking that they set up for us, it's been super valuable. It's a very high-skill networking event and also opportunities.
As a result of being a digital gold card holder, your team had given me the opportunity to go to Taipei Blockchain Week, and from there I met some groups that were focused on non-traditional people building non-traditional communities in the blockchain world, the Web3 world.
The community here is really great and welcoming. So there's foreigners working here, remotely, software engineers, there are locals working on their startup. So when you make the move with the Gold Card, there is a great community that you can tap into.
The global competition for digital talent is fierce everywhere, and Taiwan is going all out to be an attractive destination. It wants to transition from component manufacturing to system integration, which means the future is in software, software as a service, AI, and IoT. So if you work in a digital field, I say you should give the Digi Gold Card a try. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. See you on the island.